Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a feature for Scrap Diva Designs. I have a project for you and I would like you to craft with me. Check her out. She will be linked below. I do have a code. It's V10 if you'd like to get a discount. So there it is right there. So I do love this box. This box comes with everything needed to make a box, especially the lining. I love the lining for a box. I always use lining for a box, whether it comes with it or not. I make my own. So in this case, we don't have to do that, which is definitely appreciated. So I'm going to start off with some cardstock from Michaels. This is the Recollection brand. And I'm going to cut out or die cut out a window using this die. So I did switch dies. I had the rectangular die and I switched to this one that looks like a ticket, which I also utilize for embellishments for the inside of the box. So that was a plus as well. I love to use my scraps, and in this case it was a save for me on that one. So I'm going to go ahead and line the box. The pieces have been pre-cut and pre-sewn already, so I'm going to do that with some hot glue. So this is what it looks like, and I'm also going to fold everything in. What I would recommend you do before you start to assemble the box is add your acetate before you do that. In this case, I didn't do it. However, I managed to get my acetate in. It just takes a little bit of time and effort and to do that. I'm using some score tape to glue my acetate down. If you don't have any acetate, no worries. You're able to use laminator sheets, or you can use the cellophane bags. Sometimes I use that when I run out, and it's quite okay. It still looks amazing, and you can see everything, all your embellishments inside. So what I do here with the score tape is I snip the edges off here in the corners. I'm going to fold over that piece, that way I can still use it, and not just, I didn't want to cut it off and just make it look messy, so I just fold it on over. So I'm going to do that with all four corners. If you hear background noise, I apologize for that. I was having some technical difficulties with this video and had to do another voiceover. For some reason, it wasn't uploading properly. So I'm going to try this way, and hopefully it works doing it through my desktop. So I finish up the box, adding the acetate. I'm just here closing it to see if everything worked out, and it did. So just clean up your box. You will have some glue strings here and there. I did cut some straps here. These are about 1/4 of an inch by 7 inches, and I used the excess piece as a handle. You will have 2 of these, so the other piece will be discarded once you snip that piece off. So here I'm snipping it off, so, and I'm going to use that for the handle. So that's what it looks like so far. I'm loving the contrast of black and pink. This is just the opposite side of the pink cardstock, which goes very well. I love how they color coordinated everything, and I like how this one looks along with some hot pink stitching. It just brings the colors up a little bit. And so here I'm doing is I'm adding that handle piece and gluing it to a pink cardstock. It is just a reverse side, and I do use glue. What I do recommend is using some liquid glue, because you will need to shape that piece in order for it to look like a handle. So here you see me bending the edges over so I can get that shape of a handle, and also using my fingers, considering that I had already hot glued it down. The other two projects the boxes that I have, you will see them at the end of this video, and unfortunately I didn't use liquid glue for this one, but the others I did use hot glue instead of liquid glue, because I was able to shape it with a chapstick, as you see here me trying to do. So prior to the hot glue adhering and getting hard, I went ahead and shaped it prior to that happening. So you have to work really fast with that, but I would recommend some liquid glue. So I'm just adding the handle here and hoping that it works, and it does work out. And I like it, just checking everything out, making sure that it all worked out, and it did. And so both straps are on. These are the flowers that I'm using to decorate the suitcase. I love the little suitcase. It's such a cute little piece to add with your happy mail, as well as using for favors or craft fairs as well, if you want to take that time to make something cute like this for that occasion. So I'm also adding these hearts, and these came in the collection. I am using the Garden Party collection by Maggie Holmes throughout this project and video. And I did not mention the flowers. The flowers are a Tim Holtz die. I will have that linked below if needed. So hopefully you can find that. And you will also see me add this jump ring. It's from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to add a bow as well, and that bow that I created is from Seam Binding. And so I just added some jump rings to it and created a charm, and also added a little bunny rabbit, which I absolutely love these charms. They're from Amazon. They're new to me, so I'm not sure how long they've been around, but I love them. Look how cute. It's a sleeping bunny rabbit. It's such a cute little charm. So I added it to the bow, and I love how it came out. Well, I'm going to show you as well the embellishments that I made with the ticket die. I'm calling it a ticket die because it looks like a ticket, but it's a piece that you use to make a window. So that's it, you guys. This concludes the video. Check out Scrap Diva Designs. She will be linked below. Follow the hashtag. You may see other projects that bring you inspiration. If I inspired you, please use my code V10, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.